Bonafide.
Gwop squad, baby.
Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby. It's the final. Fourth quarter, winning finals, we second. Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby. It's the final. Fourth quarter, winning finals, we second. Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby. It's the final. Fourth quarter, winning finals, we second. Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby.
What you want? I got what you need. Can I get another shot? This time I'ma make you hot. Nah, nah, nah. I got what you want. I got what you need. Can I get another shot? This time I'ma make it.
I'm sitting on the side of the curb with a pocket. Hold up, wait a minute, what you say? Back it up, give me space. Who that? Nicole Ray. By the way, DJ, better play all day. Make the whole world say, damn, it's something mad. Yeah, this that kind of tune.
Still have a shot.
Everybody wanna bop their head. Haters, lovers, whatever. Nicole Ray, Timberland.
Episode 3. Today we're doing dry fry meat with the kachumbari. You can see I'm chopping it up, I'm carving the meat. Actually, I get my meat from Bonali Butchery. Bonali has the best cuts. Just look them up. When you're in Savannah, you can get the best steaks over there. They also got chicken and all that stuff. So the reason why I'm lining up this meat like this is because I want to cut the fat off, all the fat. This is how we remove the fat, so that when we fry, the whole food will be like 100% protein, no fat, none of that. If you want fat, you can get fat. That's it.
You know it's a pity that y'all look like idiots. Yo, boo, let me know when I should replace the cat. Why and he don't call me anymore. We don't even kiss. Am I his fool? What must I do to keep him loving me? All this love I give.
Poopy like 1 minute.
Got what you want. I got what you need. Ooh,
This time I'ma make it hot.
come on.
I got what you want.
Got what you need.
Got what you need.
Baby,
Can I get another shot?
come on.
This time I'ma make it hot.
Call my man at the crib. He turned off his phone. Said to call him back. Why silly me? Why didn't I suspect? He was making love to someone else.
Top shooter, y'all. Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby. It's the final. Fourth quarter, winning finals, we second. Fourth quarter, game over, winning finals, baby. It's the final.
Dry fry, you know, stir fry the meat till it's brown, you know, gold brown. Then we're gonna do the kachumbari and all that stuff later. For the best results, use a pan, low deep fry, low fat, low oil. We're doing the wedges with the dry fry.
Like it's food for my ego. Nacheza dolo busy migo. Give you that dope and illegal. Got plenty for all of my people. Give me some room, don't we go. Junadai kujibu hiwiko. Incha abiro, nikikamni incha kutbiro. Nikitangu na juani hivo. Naingia ndani na kafinyo. James Harden sionginyo. Westbrook kisigino. Crossover mviringo. Hakuna ngori sina worry. Misipitishi na tupisha call me curry. Slow it down, stoner boys in a hurry. Slow it down, napenda kucheza dirty. Na niko juna kama 30. And I don't need to say it was so captured by journey. Swahili niyo vibe, nikitupa wezi party. In my quarter breaking ankles, utatoka on a gurney.
Fuck